Let's learn to play the ukulele. Ukuleles come in lots of different sizes. They come in a soprano, which is a little smaller than this one. They come in one called a concert, and then they come in this one. This is called a tenor ukulele. A ukulele that's larger than this is called a baritone, and it's tuned a little different. And then another one is called a bass ukulele, and it's tuned a lot different. The baritone ukulele is tuned like the upper four strings on a guitar, and the bass ukulele is tuned like the lower four strings on a guitar. The ukulele itself, the tenor, the soprano, and the concert ukulele are all tuned exactly the same. So everything we work on here can be for any one of those three instruments. The tuning for a soprano, a concert, and a tenor ukulele is G, C, E, A. And it's unusual because the highest note is actually the G, followed by the C, next being the E, and then the A. They keep the G up on the high side just for the specific sound of a ukulele. All ukuleles, no matter what size they are, have the same basic parts. They have the head, the neck, and the body. On the head they have tuning pegs. On the neck they have the nut, fingerboard, strings, and of course these little bars here which are called frets. Down here on the body we have the bridge. And in the body we have the sound hole, and that's where the sound can get out of your ukulele. Doesn't matter what size ukulele it is, they all have the same parts. You have to hold the ukulele. And when we hold it, we put it up next to our body, put our right arm in, hold it kind of with our elbow. We put our hand so it's right over the sound hole, and then we have our left hand here. We don't want to hold it with our left hand. We want our left hand to be free to make chords. And then you're free to play chords. When we play the ukulele, we number our fingers a little different. The left hand is very important, and we start with a thumb. And then we have our first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. It's a little different than some other instruments, but for this one, we start with those. Ukuleles all have four strings. The strings are the same thickness, the same volume on the tenor, the concert, and the soprano, and they're just a little bit different in length, but they still make the same pitches. And those tunings are, this one is a G, this one's a C, this one's an E, and this one's an A. So in order to play the ukulele, you're going to have to learn to tune it. The easiest way I've found to tune any stringed instrument, including the ukulele, is an electronic tuner. I have it attached right up here, and we'll look at it as we play. We start with the string closest to our chin. It's supposed to be a G. As I play it, it says it's a G. I've got yellow lines. As I turn it and tighten the string, it goes up to the red. So that means I've turned too far. So I loosen the string and bring it down until it's just blue. Blue straight up and down, we know we've got the G. Next string is supposed to be a C. This one needs tightened. Tighten it right up to there, now it's in tune. The next string is an E, and it needs tightened. And I've tightened too far, so I'm going to loosen the string. And again, loosen it some more until I get just to the blue. And there we go. And our final string is an A. It says it's an A, but it needs tightened so that we're clear up to being in tune. And there we're going past it, so I'm going to loosen it. And there's an A. Now the instrument's in tune, so we can go ahead and play it. When you read a chord chart, it's just like looking at the neck of the ukulele. On it, you see the nut, the frets, the strings, and finally your finger. So if we're going to play the C chord, we put our third finger in the 1, 2, 3, third fret on the first string. And there's a C chord. Just as simple as that. Ukulele music is written on the staff of the treble clef. Often, ukulele music is written with a slash or rhythmic notation. Rhythmic notation specifies the exact rhythm in which to play or comp the indicated chords. The chords are written above the staff in a chord chart, and the rhythm is indicated in the traditional manner. The 4 quarter notes we strum on the C chord would be notated like this. If you place a chord chart above the staff and reduce the number of lines on the staff to 1, you will see rhythmic notation. Because there is 1 staff line, specific notes are not given, but the notes are named in the chord chart. This type of notation allows for specific rhythms and standard counting systems and is much quicker to write and to read. This is a chart showing note values in 4/4 time. A whole note gets 4 counts, a whole rest gets 4 counts. A half note gets 2 counts, a half rest gets 2 counts. A quarter note gets 1 count, and a quarter rest gets 1 count. Okay, so it's time for us to read some music, play some examples. Let's look at the first one. Our first exercise shows 4 quarter notes, then 2 quarter notes and a half rest. You would count that like this: 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know how to make a C chord, so let's make a C chord. 1, 2, 3 frets, finger down, just strum down soft like that with your thumb. You can slide it like that. Don't have to play with your fingernail. It's not a competition to see who can be the loudest. And just play along with me as I count this out. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. Never forget to count the rest. Rests are just as important a part of the music as the notes are. All right, I like to play along with an accompaniment just to make sure that we stay steady and so we get used to starting and stopping together. It's important to be able to play together because if you stay together when you play together, it makes the music sound a lot better and it's a lot more fun for everyone. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If that went well, go on to the next one. If you still need a little practice, go ahead and rewind and try it again. And here's another exercise. This one has 3 quarter notes followed by a quarter rest. It would be 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice sometimes I counted it as a rest and sometimes I said 4. You can count it either way. Let's try that one with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3. If that went well, go on to the next one. If not, go back and rewind and try again. This time we have 2 quarter notes followed by a half rest. And you would count this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. Next example has a good rhythm. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. Here's a pattern of quarter notes and quarter rests. So you make your C chord and you play 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. Here's another combination of quarter notes and quarter rest. Look at it close, and let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. One more exercise. We make our C chord and we play 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. Now it's time for us to play a song. The first song we're going to play is Brother John. It's all on a C chord, which we know, and it all has quarter notes, except there's a rest if you watch a little further in the song. The ukulele plays the top line, where it says ukulele, and then you sing where the words are right below it. So let's try Brother John. 1, 2, ready, go. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Did you catch the rest at the end? If you didn't, back it up, try it again. If you got them, good for you. Here's another song. This song is called Hot Cross Buns. You play 2 quarter notes and a half note. So you will play 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to sing with it while you play, and let's put it all together with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Our last song for this lesson is Row, Row, Row Your Boat. You just play quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Maybe you'll even want to try it as a round, but here it is with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. That's about all we have for today. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. The better you get, the more fun it is.